Welcome to Speaking, your English learning channel.
Hey, Annie, good morning. How's your morning going today?
Good morning, Alex. It's going pretty well. I woke up a little early today, so I actually feel relaxed. That doesn't always happen.
Wow, waking up early and feeling relaxed? That sounds like a successful morning already. I woke up late and had to rush. The usual.
Oh no, did you at least get your coffee?
Of course, coffee is not optional. Coffee is survival.
I agree. My day cannot start without coffee either.
That actually brings us to something interesting. Today, I thought we could talk about our daily routines. A lot of English learners want to know how to describe their everyday life in simple English.
That's a great topic. Daily routines are perfect for practicing basic sentences. We all do these things every day, so it's easy to talk about them.
Exactly. So let's start from the beginning. Annie, what time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. I don't jump out of bed right away, though. I stay there for a few minutes and think about my day.
Same here. That thinking time is important. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I set an alarm, but sometimes I press snooze.
Be honest, how many times do you press snooze?
Maybe 2 times. Okay, sometimes 3.
That's real life. After I wake up, I make my bed. It's a small habit, but it makes me feel organized.
That's a good habit. I try to make my bed, but I'm not always successful. After I wake up, I go straight to the kitchen and make coffee.
Coffee comes first.
Always. Then I prepare a simple breakfast, usually eggs and toast or sometimes just oatmeal if I want something quick.
I like oatmeal too. I usually eat yogurt with fruit. It's easy and it feels healthy.
Do you cook every morning?
Not really. I keep it simple because mornings can feel busy. While I eat, I like to sit quietly. No phone, no TV, just a calm moment.
That sounds peaceful. I usually check my phone while eating, which is probably not a great habit.
Many people do that. After breakfast, I get ready for the day. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and get dressed.
Same routine here. I also like to take a quick shower in the morning. It helps me wake up fully.
Yes, a morning shower makes a big difference. It makes me feel fresh and ready.
After you get ready, do you start work right away?
I work from home, so I usually start around 8:30 a.m. Before I begin, I make another cup of coffee.
Another one?
Just a small one.
I also start work around that time. I like to sit at my desk, look at my schedule, and decide what to do first. It helps me stay focused.
That's a great tip for learners. You can say, I check my schedule, or I plan my day.
Yes, simple sentences are perfect. During the morning, I answer emails, work on projects, and sometimes attend meetings.
My mornings are similar. I try to do my most important work first because I have the most energy then.
That's smart. Around 11 a.m., I usually take a short break. I stand up, stretch, and walk around.
Breaks are important. I like to step outside for fresh air. Even 5 minutes helps me feel better.
Do you ever have snacks during that time?
Yes, I usually eat something small, like a banana or some nuts.
I go for something crunchy, maybe crackers or an apple.
Snacks make the workday happier.
Around 12:30 p.m., it's lunchtime. What do you usually eat?
Lunch is simple. Sometimes a salad, sometimes a sandwich. If I have leftovers from dinner, I eat those.
Leftovers are the best. They save time. I often make a turkey sandwich or heat up something quick.
Do you eat while working?
I try not to. I like to step away from my desk and relax while I eat. It feels like a real break.
That's a good habit. After lunch, I feel a little slower, so I usually do easier tasks in the afternoon.
Yes, afternoons can feel sleepy. That's when I do things that don't need too much thinking.
Sometimes I make tea in the afternoon instead of coffee.
Good idea. Too much coffee can make you feel nervous.
Exactly. Around 3 p.m., I take another short break. I stretch or walk around my house.
I like to do that too. Sitting all day is not good for the body.
Then I finish my work around 5 p.m. That's when I start to relax.
Same here. When work ends, I feel like I can breathe again.
Yes, I usually change into comfortable clothes right away.
That's the best feeling, changing out of work clothes.
After that, I like to go for a walk. It helps me clear my mind.
I try to exercise in the evening. Sometimes I go to the gym, but sometimes I just do a short workout at home.
Even a little movement is good. You can say, I go for a walk, or I exercise in the evening.
Right. After exercise, it's time for dinner. Do you cook every night?
Not every night, but I cook most days. I enjoy making simple meals like rice, vegetables, and chicken.
I like cooking too, but I keep recipes very easy. Nothing fancy.
Cooking at home feels healthier and more relaxing.
And it's a great way to practice English. You can say things like, I cook dinner, I cut vegetables, I make soup.
Exactly. After dinner, I usually clean the kitchen. I don't like waking up to a messy space.
That's a good rule. I wash the dishes right away, or at least I try to.
Try is an honest word.
After everything is clean, I like to relax. I watch a show, read a book, or listen to music.
My evenings are quiet too. Sometimes I call a friend or talk to my family.
That's important. Daily routines are not only about work, they're also about connection and rest.
Yes, around 9:30 p.m. I start getting ready for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and change into pajamas.
I do the same. I also like to prepare for the next day. I check my calendar and think about tomorrow.
That's a great habit. It makes the morning less stressful.
By 10:30 or 11 p.m., I go to bed. I try not to use my phone too much before sleeping.
That's hard, but it helps you sleep better.
So true. And then, the next day, everything starts again.
That's why it's called a routine.
Yes, exactly.
You know, routines can sound boring, but they actually help us feel stable and calm.
Yes, having a routine gives structure to the day. It helps us manage time and feel more productive.
And for English learners, talking about daily routines is one of the best ways to practice speaking.
Because you already know these actions, you just need the English words.
You can start with simple sentences like, I wake up at 7 a.m., I eat breakfast, I go to work, I come home, I go to bed.
Then slowly add details. I usually wake up early. I sometimes drink coffee. I like to read at night.
See, you don't need difficult grammar. Just speak clearly and naturally.
And remember, everyone's routine is different. There is no perfect routine.
The important thing is to describe your real life.
So today, after watching this, try to talk about your own daily routine in English.
You can even write it down first, then say it out loud. Practice a little every day, just like a routine.
Yes, learning English can become part of your daily routine too.
I like that idea. Wake up, brush your teeth, drink coffee, and practice English.
That sounds like a great plan. Well, Annie, thanks for sharing your day with us.
Thank you, Alex. This was a nice conversation.
And to everyone listening, keep practicing, keep speaking, and don't be afraid of making mistakes.
See you next time.
Have a great day.
Bye.